A little walk around video. S500 1994, 39,000 miles, in the great shape. So previous owner probably want to keep or install these badges, which is saying 600, but it's not. It's S500 in immaculate shape. So here is the little walk around video. We're gonna test some systems of the car, so you make sure that everything working properly. I'm gonna show you all dings, scratches, imperfections, but honestly not too many of those. And it's just gorgeous. Actually, whole car in fantastic condition. So we got advanced Lorenzo wheels, wrapped in the Michelin tires, but I believe it's not too new tires, so I would replace it, but it's in the fantastic shape. So nothing on here on the fender. Actually, this is a little spots from the tree. So nothing on the hood, nothing on the bumpers. The fog lamps in fantastic shape. Nothing is cracked. All the gaps, all of them in great shape. Lorenzo 18-inch wheels. So we got some imperfection over here. Somebody just a little bit cover it with the paint. Other than that, not much to say about. It's from the tree. All Mercedes-Benz, all original. Lorenzo wheels. We got new rotors at the back. There is nothing. All the gaps is great, are great. Nothing on the corner. Lorenzo wheels. We got some chips over here. We didn't take care of it, we just want to keep it original way. Mercedes-Benz. It's gray market car, so there is no any warning on the mirror. Nothing is on the windshield. Door soft closed, works. Everything works here. Sorry, it's my jacket. The trunk in fantastic shape. Here's a little setup from the not OEM audio system. Other than that, everything is fine. Alright, let me show you. Looks this door. Windows are regulated. Alright. Here's our cherry on the top. The wood trim doesn't have any cracks, peeling, clear coat. All the stuff over in the great shape. So the leather in fantastic shape, literally. Interior, all bolsters, everything like it was new. The steering wheel leather in fantastic shape. The dashboard just fantastic, like new. Color smells like new. The headliner not very sagging. Wood trim over here is like new. Even the locks like new. Let me show you the driver's side and the engine. Probably it's nicest example on the market right now. Lowest miles that I ever seen. But the leather, it's great. It's just gorgeous. Okay, we have a little marks where the paint a little bit disappearing, but the leather by itself, nothing is ripped. Even the steering wheel, even the vents, board like new. All the bolts, even the pedals, no any wear on it. All the seals at the place. what can I tell you? This is the remote controls from the stereo, which is not original, but maybe somebody might keep it. I'm not sure. We don't have a telephone over there, just empty pockets, so I decided to not show it to you. Let me show you under the hood. Fantastic. Car has no leaks at all. We didn't change any gaskets, seals. It looks amazing underneath. And over here you practically can see, yeah, it was detailed, but we just want to clear it up. Everything is in here, so nothing major, nothing at all, nothing to say about. I just did a coolant, we just did a fresh oil filter, we just did a fuel filter, we just did cabin filter, which is expensive. Here's the US labels. And actually that's it. Just replace the front shocks. It's Japanese language. Wheel bearings are new. Original headlights. AC works perfectly. So here is it. Hood insulation in fantastic shape. This is the gorgeous car. Alright, let me show you the functions of that car. Right, seatbelt and works great on the both sides. Have not any lights. Working fine. The very expensive function is over here. Here is our rear view mirror. Let me work on it. Left, right. Works great. Our headrests going up, going down. Our shade gorgeous. Here is the mirrors. Sorry. Works fine. all these things works fine. And this one going back works great. One more. Sorry. This one's fine. All right, we're good. AC works fantastic. Got a steering wheel column, which is operated over here. Up, down. All right. And I don't know, can you see that or no? Let me just show it to you. The rear parktonic. All right. Over there it's up. Over there it's up. Move it back. I don't know where it's supposed to go back, but let me try. This works great. Going back, all of them. It's great. All right, all the lights. Probably have to set on headlights, which is great. Absolutely gorgeous car. All right. Going back, and let's see the seats. Are they working or no? Back, front, forward, up, up. Headrests. Backrests. Great. Other side. This one's forward, back, backrests. Guys, looks great. Soft close. Oh. Works fine. And I think that's it. Let me do the little test drive for you. And we're gonna be done. Thank you for watching.